Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your identity with Amazon, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your identity with Amazon, first, navigate to the Amazon website. Log into your Amazon account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the Account and Lists section at the top right corner of the page. Click on Account. Scroll down to find the Your Account section. Look for Identity Verification or Account Verification. Click on the verification link provided. You may be prompted to enter your phone number for verification. Input your phone number and choose whether to receive a text or a call. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in the designated field. After successfully entering the code, Amazon might ask for additional information. Be prepared to provide identification, such as a government-issued ID. Follow the instructions to upload or take a photo of your ID. Make sure the image is clear and all information is visible. If required, you might also need to provide proof of address. This could include a utility bill or bank statement. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary documents. Once submitted, wait for Amazon to review your information. You should receive a notification about your verification status via email. If there are any issues, check your email for specific instructions from Amazon. Repeat the process as necessary until your identity is verified. Once verified, you can return to your account and access all features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.